Ever found yourself staring at a paper check, wondering if it's become a relic of the past in our increasingly digital world? You're not alone. Many Lloyds Bank customers ponder this very question: can you actually pay a check in online? It feels like everything else has moved online, from paying bills to transferring money to friends. So, where does the humble check fit into this digital landscape? Let's rewind a bit. Checks have been a staple of financial transactions for centuries. They provided a tangible way to instruct your bank to pay a specific amount to a specific person or entity. But times have changed dramatically. The rise of online and mobile banking has brought unprecedented convenience to our fingertips. We can manage our finances, make payments, and track our spending without ever setting foot in a physical branch. This shift naturally leads to the question of whether traditional methods like check deposits have kept pace with these technological advancements. For Lloyds Bank customers, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. While you can't physically feed a paper check into your computer or phone, Lloyds Bank does offer a way to deposit checks digitally, leveraging the power of your smartphone. This method utilizes the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app, transforming your phone's camera into a virtual check deposit machine. Here's how it generally works. You open your Lloyds Bank mobile app, navigate to the check deposit section, and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will typically prompt you to enter the amount of the check and then guide you through the process of taking clear photographs of both the front and back of the check. It's crucial to ensure the images are well lit and in focus so that all the details are legible. Once you've captured the images and confirmed the details, you submit the deposit through the app. This digital check deposit method offers several advantages. Firstly, it saves you a trip to a physical branch, which can be a significant time saver, especially if you have a busy schedule or live far from a branch. Secondly, it provides a convenient way to manage your finances from the comfort of your own home. You can deposit checks at any time, day or night, without being restricted by banking hours. However, there are a few important things to keep in mind. There are often daily and per check limits for digital deposits, so if you're dealing with a large amount, you might still need to visit a branch. Additionally, it's essential to retain the physical check for a certain period after depositing it digitally, as the bank may require it for verification purposes. Lloyds Bank will usually specify how long you need to keep the check. Furthermore, while the mobile app offers this convenient feature, it's worth noting that you cannot deposit a check through the Lloyds Bank website on your computer. The digital check deposit functionality is specifically designed for the mobile app. So, if you were hoping for a desktop-based solution, that isn't currently an option. While you can't pay a check in online in the traditional sense of feeding a paper document into your computer, Lloyds Bank does provide a digital solution through their mobile banking app. This allows you to deposit checks conveniently using your smartphone's camera. It's a testament to how banking is evolving, blending traditional financial instruments with modern technology to offer greater flexibility and ease of use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.